Hello friends, welcome back to another session of my trading signals for cryptocurrencies. Today is the 21st of May, and just like that guys, today we got a new all-time high for Bitcoin. Just like I predicted guys. I told my people about this back in February. Okay, I'll show you in a minute my Twitter, and I'll show you the post where I said that May was going to be extremely bullish. And I also clarified that we still have not seen the top. Okay, that was back in February, back when all crypto markets were extremely bad, back when Trump was doing all the tariff stuff and people were freaking out about the recession, back when everyone was basically having doubts about whether the bull run was coming or not. I was the only person in the world who actually predicted this pump, this massive change. I not only predicted May, I predicted many other months. For those of you who are clients, have requested my work, especially regarding the Bitcoin monthly charts. You guys know that I predicted all of this, and I told you, and I was very specific in all of this. There was no chance to miss this. Anyone who watches my work knows the accuracy that I bring, the accuracy that I have. No one else has this. No one else is so consistently right every single day, every single week, every single month. Guys, I can predict events years before they happen even. Okay, so this is the volume of my work. This is the quality, and I really hope that all of you who paid the predictions, who have been my clients and everyone basically in this channel listening to my warnings, anyone who actually follows me in all my social medias, I hope you have made a lot of money today and in this month alone as well, because guys, this is so amazing. Everyone is enjoying profits, and like I said, I was the only one to predict this with this level of detail. There are always going to be people who claim to be experts and predictor, but they usually just predict the movements like a couple days before they happen. That's absolutely garbage compared to what I bring to the table. So I will show you in a minute the Twitter post so you can know, and it's basically some kind of proof for everyone to see what I'm talking about, and also because guys, I gave that signal for free. Okay, I gave the May signal for free. I told my people in a post. It wasn't even a complete post. It was a reply to someone else. And I said specifically that April and May were going to be very good, but especially May. Okay, you'll see that in a minute. But look at this, 21 today. We got a very volatile day, just like I told you. It was on the yellow. Yellow always means range or volatility. Also on green, and technically it's also part of this yellow, red box 90 to 22. And remember guys, I always tell you this, whenever you see a day shared by opposite energies, be it in boxes or in circles, you can always bet that it's going to be very volatile. And so far, many of these days have been very volatile, just like I predicted guys. I basically told you that around every single day almost has been very volatile. After the 12th, I believe, I gave the signal that many days will be volatile, many consecutive volatile days. That's exactly what you're seeing. And for the next days, I believe a strong correction is coming. 22 is notice right here, guys. It's the only day that doesn't have any green on it. Okay, it's completely on the red. So it's the most likely candidate to see a very strong correction, even though we also saw a very strong correction today, because when it reached 109k, it went back down with very, very hard. You can see almost 3% to back to 106k, only to rebound very, very strongly, and basically the new all-time high, basically 110k. So extremely good. This can go even higher around these days. 23, 24, that was originally the range of days that I was expecting to even go higher than the previous peak. But because it comes a little bit sooner, it's very bullish. So I'm very optimistic, and if we don't get that, there's another chance, but I won't talk about that because again, that's reserved for all my clients, for all the people who support me with paid predictions, and to my closest friends, to my closest allies in this project. So yeah, it's not something that I will talk about publicly, maybe until very late. But yeah, I gave the warning for May with many days, many weeks, many months in advance. Basically, only losers can completely avoid, will have completely missed that, because guys, I gave that information for free. It was that good. So yeah, next few days very volatile. Expect possibly another major pump around the 23-24. And let's go to the Ethereum chart. So altcoins also benefited from today, but not as much as Bitcoin. Really, it's only Bitcoin who really got the all-time high, because, for example, Ethereum is just still, it's not even in the highest position. I mean, it lost that peak. So today for Ethereum was basically a range day. You can see this is the starting position and this is the current position, so nothing really changes. It was very volatile, you can see, up and down, but it's not decisively green like Bitcoin, so it's not really that good. For the chart, it showed only extreme volatility for today, and that's exactly what we got, so in a range. So again, for the next days as well, 22 is looking like it could be the most dangerous day of the next few days that are coming, because also, like Bitcoin, is completely on the red. This one is on the yellow as well, but yellow, like I said, always means either volatility or range. So basically take yellow circles, only circles, because boxes are extremely volatile always, but take yellow circles like, I don't know, like a warning that the day price action will be fluctuating. It won't be decisive, it won't be clear in many cases. So that was the case for Ethereum. Now let's take a look at AVAX. Well, before I go to the avalanche chart, just want to detail, okay, the next days 24 and 25, 26 could be the best for Ethereum, but this could represent a major divergence because the circle for these days is completely red, so maybe these days will not be that good compared to Bitcoin for Ethereum, which actually makes a lot of sense considering that many of these days in this month and others have been underperforming compared to Bitcoin. So yeah, now let's go to the AVAX chart. Good old AVAX. So you see that 21 today was completely green. It's actually better than Ethereum, which is actually crazy because I've been noticing that AVAX is the worst performing cryptocurrency that I'm covering right now on May, even worse than Ethereum. But yeah, today was not the case. It outperforms Ethereum and goes completely green. It actually avoids the correction that I was looking like for AVAX. I was looking like a complete red day for today, and that was not the case. We got a completely green day, mainly because of Bitcoin, really, because if it was because of AVAX alone, it would have never done such a massive performance today. So it's kind of decent. It's still very mediocre compared to Bitcoin, but hey, let's not underestimate AVAX. It can go very high maybe in the future. For that, you'll have to write down to me in the comments, in the email, if you want to see AVAX for the next few months. But yeah, that's basically all I have for today. 22 AVAX maybe in range, mostly in range, I believe. 23, 24 on the green. That's exactly the range of days that Bitcoin also shows on the green. 25, 26 a correction, I believe. So yeah, I believe you will see me again by around these days. So there's really no incentive for me to make even more information. You'll get even more updates very soon. But yeah, guys, before I end up, let's go to the X post. Okay, so this is my account. Be sure to follow me. The link is always in my main channel page, like in the links section. You can always find it there. But yeah, this is my trading account. My Twitter account, and you'll see this is a reply someone was actually asking me about the outlook for the next months. It was back in February, as you can see, February 27, and I told him, look at this. I think around April and May, which could be very bullish, we'll recover from this. Okay, this was back when Bitcoin was almost nearing back to below 70K. Okay, it was a very bad day. You guys remember that. I had many people write down in the comments and messaging me about they were very worried about their stocks, about their assets, their portfolios, their performances. They were losing a lot of money. And look at this, guys. I told my people, we still haven't seen the top yet. We still haven't seen the top yet. So who else in this beautiful world has done such an amazing prediction? And not only one prediction, I make predictions all the time, basically. Not only for Bitcoin, but for my clients, and all the time I'm always correct. Always correct. I have the highest accuracy ever. No one else has this, guys. No one else. Because if there was another person that was telling you this, I wouldn't be the first one. You already knew about this. So yeah, guys, that's all I have for you. As always, I wish you a good day. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me. It's on you if you miss this information, because I give this for free most of the time. So don't forget to follow me, comment whatever you think about this, and I'll see you guys later. Take care, and until then.